This isn't Ubuntu, but PC Linux OS, but it's all standard Linux utilities. So I've made myself a project folder, and if I just put a listing there, I've only got the one file in it, test.ogv. Work from a project folder because we're going to generate lots of files. Now then, using a utility such as media info, you can see that it's an OGV file from Record My Desktop. And it's 15 frames per second is the video frame rate. Need to know that for the next bit. So I'm going to use ffmpeg and the command ffmpeg -r for -r, 15 for the frame rate, and then a -i for an input file name, which we've only got the one there, test.ogv. I need a new frame rate to reduce the number of frames, so I'm going to use 6 in this case, -r6. And I'm going to give these frames a name. I'm going to call them image. The percentage 06D for 6 decimal places. And I'm going to use PNG format. Now that I've chopped a bit out of here, because this, especially if it's a full desktop, can take some time. So there we've finished that bit. Now I'm going to put all those frames, and if we do a listing, you can see what we have. Lots and lots of images and the original video file. I'm going to do a ffmpeg and a -r for a new frame rate. I'm going to make it really quick, so I'll use 30 frames per second is a good value, especially for YouTube. A new bit rate of 1000, could be more, 1500 or 2000. An input name, -i, and as same as before, image, %06D, PNG. Now, I don't know whether for ONG this is necessary, but I'm going to use a Q scale, which is a quality setting of 4. And then a new output file name. I'm just going to call it new OGV. And again, this can take a bit of time if it's a large video. And we get that. Now then, I'll just, as a comparison, I'm going to open VLC there. And the original file, which was test, this one. That's it running at normal speed. You can do some operations on it. Now then, if I go and open up our new file, this is at the higher speed. So that's an example how you might do it in Linux with ffmpeg.